What Kind of Woman Is This by Buddy Guy is based around some standard blues type chords. So we have this E7 chord, open E string, third finger 7th fret of the A, second finger 6th fret of the D, pinky finger 7th fret of the G, and the first finger on the B string of the 5th fret as our first kind of chord in the song. For the rhythm we play the low E string, then a little strum across the D, G and B strings, and we very quickly stop it. Then we've got this little riff, 7 on the low E, 5, 6, 7 on the A, back to 5 on the A, and the low E at 7. Okay, so bass, strum, E, 5, 6, 7, 5, back to 7 on the low E. Really slowly, bass, strum, E, A, back to E. Bass, strum, 7 on the low E, 5, 6, 7, 5, back to 7 on the E. The second chord in the song is an A7 chord, and it is the first finger bar on the 5th fret, and then the third finger 7th fret of the A, and second finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Bass, strum, this time we'll pick A at the 7th fret, and then the same run, 5, 6, 7, 5, but this time on the D, and when we go back to the A, on the 7th fret we play it twice. So bass, strum, 7th fret of A, D string, 5, 6, 7, 5, back to A7, twice. Okay, so far is it E7, A7, we're then going to go back to E7, same riff, A7, same as normal, back to the E again, same, then the A, back to the E one more time, and we finish, single strum on an E7 raised 9 chord. So this is second finger 7th fret of the A, first finger 6th fret of the D, third finger 7th fret of the G, and the pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B string, single strum, and let it kind of kill it off immediately. So slowly we have E, A, E, A, E, A, E, and then that E7 raised 9 to finish. That's the intro. After the intro we go to the kind of main progression, which is played throughout for the rest of the song on repeat. It uses the same riffs for the E and the A chord, but the order of the chords is different, and there is a B7 chord in there too. So it starts off with that E7 chord, going to the A7 chord, played in exactly the same way, and then 2 E's, and then 2 A's, back to 2 E's, then we go up to the B7 chord, play it in exactly the same way as we did that A chord, bass, strum, 9th fret this time at the A string, then 7, 8, 9, 7 on the D, 9, 9 on the A. Down to the A7 chord, E, A, E, A, and then we have 3 bars of E, and finish, single strum, that E7 raised 9 chord.